don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You say take me on a treasure hunt, I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing?
If you want to participate in our open collab, keep on watching for more info. Thank you.
Every night when I close my eyes.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. The boss is back. Hey you guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Linda, a wife, a mom of 3 beautiful girls. On my channel, I post so many home decor ideas videos, a little bit of cooking and cleaning. Please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love you to be part of my YouTube family and smash the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future upload. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know. Thank you so much. Now let's get into it.
I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet.
Okay guys, for 2021 I am going to show you how you can decorate your home like a boss, like a pro. This is what I love doing. I have a passion for interior designing. That's why I never keep my decor for too long. You will see me change my decor all the time. Yes, I decided to bring you guys a lot of ideas for how to decorate your home to make it classy and beautiful, welcoming for the 2021. I decided to show you different color that you can use in your living room, not only your living room, everywhere in your home. I use this color because of Valentine's, but it's not only for Valentine's because this color is so beautiful. You can use it for other occasions. Please stay tuned for more ideas because I have more. Okay, like I said, don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon for every time I upload a new video. And for how to use colors and textures, you will see a few rooms in my house that I use like different color and textures. And yes, let me say that I am going to say this: home decor costs a lot of money, but to have a beautiful home, you don't have to spend a lot of money. You can move the decor you already have and mix and match patterns and color.
You say take me on a treasure hunt, I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night when I close my eyes, I see
To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for all the support, the comment, liking. Thank you for everything. May the Lord continue to bless each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Bye. Keep on watching.
It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care, I don't care. I'm in for the fight.
Thank you guys so much for letting me give you some ideas on how you can decorate your home to make it classy, beautiful, welcoming. And I appreciate you all so much for everything. Please continue to share this channel. See you next time in the next video. Thank you guys so much. Yes, she always getting on like a boss. Thank you guys so much. Keep on watching.
So I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered.
Thanks so much for watching. See you next time in my next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine, à bientôt, adios, bye.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit.